Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. So in this video, I'm just going to show you how to quickly and easily fix the issue in Davinci Resolve where you can't drop a transition onto the timeline. So basically all you need to do is grab your clip, shrink it up a little bit, merge it back together, and it will allow you to place the transition on the timeline. Now you'll notice here that it's only allowing me to place it on one side and not in the middle for both. That's because we need to make the same adjustment to both sides. So we'll just split it again, shrink up the left-hand side, merge them back together, and it will allow us to place it right in the middle and it will work perfectly fine. Now, just a couple of things here. So with adjusting just like this, some of the transitions are longer, so you might need to go further back or shorter. It just depends on the transition. So if when you shrink it, it doesn't allow you to drop, you might just need to expand that a little bit more. And the second thing is, as the transitions generally require you to use a small amount on each side of the clip, some of them won't transition smoothly. So if I was to put a cross dissolve on here and spread it right out, you'll see that it generally cross dissolves quite nicely. But if you were to have a really rough transition in the middle here where you're moving the camera really quickly or there's a jarring movement, this transition is going to feature that as well. So some transitions work better than others in certain circumstances. So you can avoid that quite often by just using a blur transition and sometimes easily just shrinking it up. So you might want to make the blur transition quicker. So these are just all the default ones inside of Davinci Resolve. You can add more if you like, but they all still work on the same concept of having enough space either side of the clip to allow you to drop the transition. Anyway, that's it for this guide. If you have any questions, just drop them down below. And as always, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in another video. Cheers, everyone.